Beautiful day for a bike ride. What do you think, doggers? You two gonna go for a ride? We have Nick and Benny in this little kids trailer. We took out the seat and the straps, and now the dogs are in there, and they're strapped in with their harnesses, and they're gonna go for a ride. Steve's the guy that gets to pull them. The little trailer attaches by his back axle, and he's going to ride ahead of me. Okay, it's a beautiful morning, Friday morning, and we are going to take off. You want to go ahead? We're going to go for a little ride around the park. There we go. Gorgeous sunny morning after a rainy night. It's pretty stormy last night, but today it's all sunshine, blue sky, a couple puffy clouds, lots of wind. I know there will probably be some wind noise on this video. How you doing in there, little doggies? You go for a nice ride, huh? Is it kind of nice? There's a little storm window to unroll and put down if the weather's bad, a little plastic window. And the back also has a little storm shield with a mesh screen here too. And the sides are plastic. All right, you two, settle down. They have their cute little flag here. People can see them coming. Right, doggers? You two are adorable. Let's see. These are Lectric 3.0 bikes that we ordered. They fold in half for storage if you want. The handlebars fold down. The seat can go up or down for storage or removed. I added a wider seat for cushy tushy. We also added these little golf bag feet. They're for golf bags for the kickstands. I carry a couple pannier bags, which are great for hauling groceries or things with us, as well as this extra little bag strapped to the handlebars. Got those off Amazon, this bag. I'll put a link down below if somebody wants. The pannier bags we ordered right from the Lectric company. And actually, at the time we bought the bikes, they had a special deal with a free folding lock. Folds out like a big old carpenter's rule. We got the larger headlight. It was an upgrade for a bigger headlight. We also got the phone holder, which makes a rattling noise when I ride. Then we extra ordered some little bells. And we added a rear view mirror. So that's about it on mine. On Steve's, we added a rear bag. We got this off Amazon. Really nice zipper bag with storage. We keep things in here like an air pump. It's a powered up air pump. It also has a USB port to charge a phone. We carry bicycle tire repair, extra rag, first aid kit, and all that good stuff. We also carry some spray, protective mace type spray for dogs who want to run up alongside of you and try to rip off your ankle. We can just yank this down and spray it. It will break away easily to spray. Right here, it breaks apart. So we could spray if we needed to. The very first day we took a ride, a big pit bull come running out after me. Somebody opened their door, and their kid came out, and the dog rushed out after him and came right at my ankles. I pedaled as fast as I could, and I hollered no in the most authoritative voice I could. But after that experience, we bought spray. Another thing we carry are alarms for the bikes. They lock onto the brake. What is that disc for the brakes? Disc brake. It locks onto there, and if you even wiggle or touch the bike, it chirps at you. And if you try to move the bike at all, it has a very ear-piercing shriek. And it's locked on tight that by the time somebody gets out a saw, because you can't really use a bolt cutters to remove it, by the time somebody were to get out a saw or a drill or something, here they are. And I'll add the link to that also that was from Amazon. And it locks right on. There's a key and a cable. So we do that if we're going inside of a store or somewhere. But usually we just stay with the bikes and go for a ride. Now that I took it out, I didn't pack it back in the way I had it. I need to rearrange this bag a little bit. There we go. Well, you ready to resume our ride, dear? And here we are, home again, jiggity jig. And again, when you stop, you go back to pass 0 and then turn it off. We hit pause, hold to finish our workout, save our workout, and here's our workout. Okay, so it's 4.5 miles back from the office, but that was looping through, or from the beach, but that was looping through all 3 campgrounds. Okay, time to get the doggies out. Turn off our bike. Let's see here. Turn off our helmets. Goodbye, it says. Hi, little doggies. Did you have fun? Huh? Okay, let's let you hop out first. We'll unhook you from this one and put you on this one. There we go. And Beanie, she says, I'm out, here I am. And we hook up their cable to a boat anchor. It's a concrete circle somebody made with an eyelet. So there we are, home again, home again. So that was our bike ride. And I know I did a little segment on our trailer, which he has locked up right now. But this is how we haul our bikes behind the motorhome. It's a little 6 foot by 4 foot Wells cargo trailer. And the bikes roll right in, and the back wheel straps down, and the front stem right by the handlebars fits in a U-shaped groove cut into that shelf. And our lawn chairs are in here, and all of our extra camping gear. On the back of the door, we hang our helmets. We have it all organized pretty good. And of course the trailer is alarmed in case anybody gets any bright ideas. Plus we keep a lock on the hitch pin itself, plus this big lock that goes around where nobody can hook onto it unless they take the time to saw it all free. Just trying to keep the honest people honest. So here we are at our campsite. Now it's time to go make some lunch. Thanks for taking the ride with us at Governor Thompson State Park between Crivets and Mountain in north central Wisconsin on the Cauldron Falls flowage.